Hey guys, my name is Vlad, and this video will be about AI that you probably missed. This is really cool one. This is AI. It's called Image Creator. It can help you create images just from your text, plain text. You don't need to have any image editor or any special tools. All what you need, your imagination and some of your ideas. Just write your text and tell for AI what do you want to see, and it will make it for you. So if you are interested, watch this video till the end. I will show you the best prompt for you get outstanding results. Let's go. This is Bing AI. For using it, you have to open bing.com. Then at the top of the page, you will see link images. Click that link. And then you will see another menu. It will be below the search. Click at this create. After that, you will see new page, and in this page you need to click join and create button, this pink button. To start using AI, you have to create Microsoft account first. If you don't have one yet, you can log in with your GitHub account. To log in with GitHub account, select sign in options. Below, you see the link below, see 9 options, click this link. And then you can select option sign in with GitHub. After login, you will see this screen. Basically, at this screen, you can see some ideas, and then at the top, you will have your input field where you can write your prompt. Let's try to create something. Let's create YouTuber, full stack web developer at home in Thailand. Let's try. To start the process, you have to click pink button, create. Let's try. Usually image generation takes sometimes, it could be up to 1 minute, so I speed up this process a little bit for you don't wait too long. And as I can see, this is my results. I didn't specify the gender, that's why I've got a lady, however I expect a man. Default you will get for images, and resolution will be 1024 multiple 1024 in pixels. You can download, you can save image, or you even can customize it. So the quality is quite good. Let's look at the result. This version is not that bad. This one in white t-shirt also nice. And probably my favorite is this one, but as you can see, the code is behind the screen. It's some kind of mistake. Let's try to customize the image. So I click customize. It's open Microsoft Design. In this, it's a browser tools where you can change color of the image, change theme, apply different filters. Example, we improve or decrease, increase contrasts. A lot of different options here, so you can check it out. We also can, for example, remove background. As you can see, we don't have background anymore. Once we finish, we can download this image. Just click at the top right corner and then click download. Okay, let's go back. As you can see, by default, it's add watermark, that this image was created by AI. Okay, let's try another prompt. This time we will try to be a little bit more specific and add more details. I prepared this prompt in advance. So click create. Another important thing, you have only 15 credits, so you can generate only 15 images. Then you have to pay. Okay, this is my new result. As you can see, quality not that bad, but still not 100% realistic, but not so bad. Remember, be specific and really descriptive with your prompt for get nice realistic result. Okay, let's try one more prompt. This time I will be more specific and more descriptive. I will try to use vivid imagery and sensory details to guide the AI to generate for me better result. This time I try generate some realistic food. So as I can see, this is my result. I think the quality is quite nice, a lot of details, and quite difficult to say if it's not real. So use this kind of prompt and your result will be close to real. That's it. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. I hope you had some fun and you get some really outstanding results. You can share your results and comment below. I will definitely look at them. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, please click like, but share your feedback in the comments below. Also, please subscribe on my channel. I already have small audience and I'm really grateful for all of you for your subscribe, for you watching my video, for you clicking like for me, for you supporting me. Thank you so much for that. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.